Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Today, we're going to make a quick and easy, no-fry, keto-friendly Monte Cristo sandwich. Or as they say in France, Croque Monsieur. Please subscribe to this channel to help me bring you more recipes every week. We'll start with 2 slices of keto bread. I have found these at my local Costco or grocery store, and I'll put a link to a Costco haul video below. Also, I'm using a Laughing Cow cheese. Any cream cheese or spreadable cheese will just do fine. Traditionally, Swiss or Gruyere is used, but I find whatever cheese I have available, I will use that. So we'll spread this cheese on 1 slice of the bread. Also, traditional Monte Cristo is deep fried in an egg batter. Since we are going to pan fry this with mayonnaise, it's important that the cheese readily melts or is spreadable, as this will not be fried. Next, we'll add 2 slices of, this is turkey breast. Traditional recipes usually use ham, especially if you have any leftover ham from the holidays. That would work great. I like to use turkey as I think it imparts a nice flavor, and it's what I have on hand. Next, we have mayo. This will be a key ingredient for this recipe, not only on the inside of the sandwich, so we'll spread that about a tablespoon on 1 slice of bread, but we're also going to coat the outside for sauteing. I'm also adding a liberal squeeze of plain yellow mustard. Any mustard will do. If you have fancier mustards, please feel free to use that. And that's it for the inside. We'll put this together. Now for the outside, we'll put another tablespoon of mayonnaise on 1 side of the sandwich, and we are ready to start sauteing. So now we'll start heating a pan on low to medium-low heat. Once the pan is heated, we'll place our sandwich in, mayo side down. While this is heating, we'll take another ½ tablespoon of mayo and spread it on the top side. Now you could spread mayo on both sides and then put it in the pan, but then it becomes kind of messy to carry it around. Now the reason we're using mayonnaise is because a traditional recipe calls for egg batter and butter. Since mayonnaise is the emulsion of eggs and oil, it essentially serves the exact same purpose. I also use this technique for my grilled cheese sandwich recipe, which I'll put a link down below. Now you should be hearing the pan sizzle quite a bit at this point. I'll give it a quick flip to toast the other side. Now I'll be flipping periodically just to ensure and to be able to monitor that neither side starts to burn. In total, this should take maybe a minute or 2 per side. Now this is starting to look like a nicely browned sandwich. Okay, 1 more flip. Let's see how we are on this other side. And look at that. That is a perfectly browned and toasted Monte Cristo sandwich. And that is it. We are ready to eat. Look at both sides. They're nicely browned and crispy from the mayonnaise. No added oil or butter or deep frying is required. Let's slice it open and check out what we've made. Look at that. Lovely creamy cheese and turkey on the inside. Beautifully browned on the outside. A quick and easy, keto-friendly Monte Cristo sandwich in less than 5 minutes. We'll give it a taste. Exactly as you would imagine. It's a nice sandwich with a slightly crunchy, buttery, and flavorful crust, and the cheese and the turkey and the mayonnaise, mustard on the inside work very well together, as you would imagine. Now, if you want the breakfast version, I've seen folks put powdered sugar on this. You could do powdered stevia or erythritol if you want that sweetness, but I kind of like the savory sandwich. It's a perfect lunch or a snack that you can have any time of day. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.